Meaning of George IV.
George IV.
George IV.
George IV.
George IV. George IV was a king of the United Kingdom who reigned from 1820 to 1830. He was the eldest son of King George III and his wife Charlotte. His reign was marked by political and social turbulence, including conflicts with his estranged wife Caroline, and the economic depression that followed the Napoleonic Wars. George IV is often remembered for his extravagant lifestyle and his patronage of the arts and architecture, particularly in London. He also oversaw important reforms in areas such as criminal justice and electoral law, helping to build a more progressive and democratic society.